Hey, are you an architect or a design student looking to get Revit running on your machine? In this video, I'll show you how to access this industry standard BIM tool in just a few minutes. Let's get started. To kick things off, head over to our official website to download and launch the installer. It's designed to automatically fetch and deploy all the core architectural components you'll need. The first phase is complete. Now let's move into the installer window that popped up to finalize the process. This stage handles the core configuration, so it might take a bit of time. Don't worry, it's just getting your environment perfectly optimized for your projects. Installation successful. Now let's dive into the interface and explore what we've actually deployed. It's time to see the environment in action. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick guide helped you get everything up and running smoothly. Don't forget to hit the like button if it worked for you, and see you in the next one.